Hello, good morning to everyone. Today in this video, we'll try to fix this issue on the Clipchamp. See here, whenever I'm editing long videos, especially this issue with the Microsoft Clipchamp, I observe personally when editing longer length of videos, and that too when I'm using text animations. Say for example, if I use some textiles like this one maybe, and when I apply something like any animation at that part of time, it is always asking me to restart the Microsoft Clipchamp. See here, preview stopped working. Try restarting Clipchamp by closing and reopening your windows. So time and again I need to close this and open this, close this and open this. So how you can fix this? Actually, yeah, here again it says like buffering. We have a simple solution for this. Simply on your keyboard press Windows logo key plus I. Okay, Windows logo key with a combination of I. Then click on installed apps. Now here find the Microsoft Clipchamp app. See this one. Then click on these three dots and then click on the advanced options. Under advanced options, there is an option called Terminate. Click on this Terminate. Don't worry, your project's files won't be deleted or removed. Terminate in the sense it will immediately deletes or terminates or kills the background processes and free up the space on the RAM. So it's just like force stop on Android. If you have Android mobiles, you will know. Okay, after you click on terminate, you can just use this repair option. If this app is not working right, we can try to repair it. The app's data won't be affected. So if you click on repair, it will solve the issue but won't delete any sources or something like that. But if you click on reset, remember whatever the videos or the audios or the images you import in the Microsoft Clipchamp will be deleted. So I'm choosing the repair option. This may take few seconds. Okay, I'll be clicking on the terminate. Yeah, this got repaired, so I need to open Microsoft Clipchamp again. Now, whatever the issues you're facing with the Microsoft Clipchamp will be resolved. I hope this step helps. See here, this is the most recent project what I'm working on this. So I'll be just opening this. Okay. So make sure you won't choose this reset. Okay, because this deletes the app data, means the video or audio files, whatever you choose. If you're okay with that, you can use reset, but always go for a repair. Yeah, I hope you like this video and thanks for watching. Have a nice day.